I wanted to add a little bonus video for the saguaro cactus that we did. So I'm wiping off my brush, my water brush, onto a towel. I'm using the smallest one, and I'm just, since my sketch dried and my lines kind of blended in, I'm going over them with a wet brush and kind of, a little bit removing the pigments. Of course, it's not going to remove it that well because this is brusho and it's very, very saturated with color, but it still can create a cool little effect. You can add a few more lines, so I just wanted to show you guys that. It does require a bit of patience. But I think it can add a really cool effect to the cactus. So basically you're lifting off this color, and in some parts it's really hard because it's so rich with pigment. So I'm just kind of gently wiping that off. But I really like how this is turning out. It's a really cool texture with the lines. And the final branch. Alright, give this a try and let me know how it goes. Or if you have any questions. Thanks again for following along. And don't forget to turn on those notifications so you get alerts whenever I upload new videos. Have a great and creative day, you guys.